Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to get invited to Instagram Reels bonus. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, launch your Instagram app and open your profile and tap on this three-line icon to the top right corner and tap on settings. Scroll down, tap on account, scroll down and tap on switch to professional account, tap on continue, and you will need to select here video creator. Here you will get video creator, so select this option, tap on done, and here select creator and tap on next, and you can tap on continue, but I'm going to tapping on not now. And now you have to set up your profile. So once you converted your personal account to a professional account, tap on the three-line icon to the top right corner and tap on settings, tap on creator, and now tap on branded content. And here we can see right now I'm not eligible to use the paid partnership label. So all you have to need, you will need to turn on this manually approve content creators option. When you will get eligible here, you will get a branded content tools option here. Then you will need to tap on that and you will need to enable the branded content tools, and that's how you can get invited to Instagram Reel bonus. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.